Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can make the pop-up video effect in Capcut. First, open up Capcut and load your assets. Now drag your assets to the timeline and adjust the scale and position of the video which you want to pop up. Now add a text layer and choose any font you want and write anything. Now scroll to the background option and add a text background, change the color, and customize it to your liking. Now adjust the text to the pop-up video. When done adjusting, stretch the clip so that they match each other. Now create a compound clip with both layers selected. Now add keyframes as shown. Adjust the keyframes according to your liking. And you are done. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.